Hey there, runners, hikers, and van lifers. We are getting up this trail and we are heading to Natural Bridge. It is in Slade, Kentucky. And let's see, we're going to turn you around and show you the sign. So it says Woodland Center, hiking trails to Bridge, Nature Center right there. So it is on all trails. It says it is 1.8 miles of moderate hiking, and we're going to take a look and see what it looks like.
We got about 2 more miles.
Look at the roots of the trees going through that rock.
Oh my god, that is cool. Wow!
Who put stairs in the middle of the woods?
That's several trees. Oh, look, more.
You're more than...
More ear.
Look at this terrain, like surrounded by the Red River Gorge. So I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but it's absolutely incredible to see that. And then down below, we just have the trail right there.
Yeah.
So ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the stair portion of today's hike, and this reminds me of our South Carolina Foothills Trail. Let's see, if I had to guess, that's about 1,000,001 stairs. You may enter heaven when you get to the top. So we're about to head on up. So here's my sister and nephew. They're down there at the bottom. And let me show you the rock wall that we're climbing up these stairs right next to. It's absolutely mind-blowing. It seems to be the exact same geology that we saw yesterday at the Devil's Market Arch. So right now, my sister's probably reached about the quarter-way point of the stairs, but we're not going to tell her that, okay? So guys, as we come up the fourth set of stairs, look up above, right there. I don't know if you can see, right there is like a cave. Looks like it'd go deep within that mountain right there. So we have stairs, many thousands of stairs yet to go. Like I said at the beginning, this hike is listed as moderate at 1.8 miles, but this bad boy is huge. I don't know if you can hear that echo, because this is just a natural amphitheater, but I would have to point the camera straight up to show the edge of this sheer cliff. Absolutely incredible.
If there was a deep water down here, this would be the best place in the world.
So now we're going to keep going that way, and here's the sign. It says Natural Bridge with an arrow. We're going to go that way, and I believe we're going to go up that Devil's Gulch stairway.
I don't think nobody wants to go that way.
So I'm going to show you guys. Right there is a staircase that goes right between those two mountains. We're going to call that the butt crack of the world.
You do this and it takes you right to it.
So that's left. If you look there, there's rocks everywhere. So that's pretty much probably the shortest way to get between these two mountains. Here we go.
Wait, what is he eating?
Okay, so when you get right here, and you're going to look for the red blaze, so that's a red diamond, right? You don't go that way, you are actually going to go up this Devil's Gulch stairway right here. And if you look right at the base, there's a sign that looks like it's broken. And it gives you like all of the different directions. So this sign would have been pointing that way, the Devil's Gulch stairway, to get you, remember what I said, in the butt crack of the universe. We're going to go up that way.
I know. I'm like, listen, I got baby legs.
All right, y'all. Wish us luck. Here we go. I don't know if we're going to be able to make it. We're going to struggle through, y'all. We're going up. We're going up. There's no medics within 100 miles of here.
Just airdrop a pizza.
Hopefully, you'll see us at the top.
And there's nothing but...
So here we are on the 7 millionth stairs, right? If you look straight up, that's what we're going in between right there. This monster of a mountain. So we're still continuing. I've lost count. We've all blacked out at least 4 times. Corbin's just taking a tour like he's back on the Ark Encounter. He's looking for the pterodactyls. But we're still continuing, y'all.
Steep incline inbound.
You alright? What do you mean by steep? You mean
Steeper
this
than
hasn't
this.
been, you mean this hasn't been set already?
Guys, this is what we just came up. Just to show y'all kind of a little perspective. So, let's see. Right here is the staircase. So, if you get right here, look down there. That's where we came up through this crack in the mountains. Right? So we're going to go up this way. You're going to come to an intersection that has many signs. One says Devil's Gulch, Needle's Eye Stairway, Lover's Leap, blah, blah, blah. So the one we're looking at is this one right here. And we're going to go to Natural Bridge, 0.45 miles. So we're just around the corner from it.
Like that would be...
This is the view right here.
Hey, Abby, did you guys watch movies a lot or anything? Or?
That is unreal. This reminds me very much
It's a movie
of
that came out not too long ago, and it's
the
got,
canyon that I trail ran through in Georgia.
But the guy, their plane crashes, and it's the guy and the girl.
Bruh.
I can't think of the name of it. I'll find it when we get back. But this is.
But now we're at the top of the mountains and just making our way through the woods again. It's pretty simple and easy here. Not simple and easy to get here. So let's see what this view is right here. Let's take a look. Good Lord. Here's the river. That is legit.
Wow.
Right? So, here's my son for perspective. He is, just for comparison, he's 5'11". That is the mountain.
Oh, geez.
Down there is what appears to be the river. Literally, you could just sail off into... Oh, there's a car down there. Trust me, I know you didn't see it because it's the size of a speck. Okay, so I would not recommend this for hang gliding because there don't seem to be a stitch of wind. So if you were to hang glide today, you're going to bounce like a ball bearing.
That is a view.
Ball bearings don't bounce.
Hold on, we're going to... What was that?
I said ball bearings don't bounce.
Yes, that's correct. Ball bearings do not bounce. So that gives you some indication of what you're going to experience. All right, look at this. We're coming out to a view. No freaking way. No way, dude. God. Sure enough, buddy, we've reached heaven.
This is awesome.
That's what we came to see right over there. That is the natural bridge. But look at this. Check this out. We're on the edge of the universe. This very much reminds me of the Table Rock Summit, Greenville, South Carolina. Check this out.
She was a little offended right now.
What? Who was?
I said, Drew's a little offended right now. He's like, are you kidding me?
I mean, that's kind of messed up.
We can do it, Drew.
You can do it, Drew. What's the thing I kept on?
Hey, John.
Uh-huh.
I think what they meant by moderate trail is.
So guys, right here, this is the sky lift that brings you up from down there at the parking lot. But this is the trail, and it runs alongside the sky lift. So you can imagine my frustration when I checked and the sign said no drones allowed. So I'm using a selfie stick to kind of get me a drone's eye view once we get to this natural bridge, to see kind of what it looks like from the air. But I don't have the 10-foot pole. I only have, I think this one's maybe 6 feet. So we'll just have to use that.
Yeah, I don't think Miss Linda would have liked this at all. No. Imagine that. And make it all the way up here, Miss.
They would have a little metal rod that vibrated really fast, and they would just take it away.
This is cool. And that's where we just were. Right there, that's where we were looking from there to over here. The thing is, I think there's a way that you can get down to the bottom. That's cool. So, let's see.
Hold on, Bubba, they're taking pictures. Right there.
Yeah, to the other side.
John, come this way because they're taking
Get
pictures.
it yet?
So once you get to the natural bridge, at one end there is a humongous gazebo. Then from there you're going to take the little stairway that takes you under the bridge. So that's where we're going right now. You can see the stairs leading up there. And we are going down next to the natural bridge, which should bring us to the arch being over top of us.
Absolutely not. Oh. Nope.
Oh, check this out, you guys.
Nope. I kind of want to.
This is insane right here.
Hey, John made it through, I think, all of this.
This is what I...
Not trying to be mean.
Oh no, I'm right there with you. I'm done. I'm done. So when? State Park.
This is what I'm talking about.
Sounds like you and Andy. Oh yeah, this is bad. You just gotta get past like the water.
Devil's Knuckles.
Do I hear Devil's Knuckles or Devil's? Wait a minute.
I think this is more like the...
taller than me needs to go because I don't know how I'm gonna step across that puddle.
This may be the devil's esophagus.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go ahead and then.
No worries. No worries.
That's so easy. How? You just go on my side.
So,
Okay, I got it. Drew, when are you gonna get real hiking shoes, sir, or at least sneakers?
Yeah, Crocs will do it. You ready?
Thank you.
in here, you guys can see how close this is. Like, my shoulders are actually touching both sides.
Walk around on the nature. You got it.
Like, literally. If I go in this way,
Because there was a part on the
I'm
outside of the
stuck.
parking lot.
So you're going to have to basically weasel your way through this. So, here we go.
Crocs off and walked down the rock. And I was.
There ain't nobody sweating coming up this trail.
No,
Ain't nobody sweating.
all of these are nothing like that.
We're going down that way.
No, but this is.
So as you can see, we just came from the natural bridge, and dude, it is absolutely worth it. Absolutely worth it. I don't know if I've seen a rock formation that impressive. It's just absolutely phenomenal. And so now we're on the downhill slope, heading back to the parking lot, and I mean, look at the scenery. There's just nothing like it. Absolutely mind-blowing. Mushrooms. Here's the gang right here. But mushrooms all over the place out here. But like I said, we're on the downhill slope. Highly recommend, if you are in the Kentucky area, you definitely want to check out Natural Bridge State Park. I believe it is. And hike your little butt up there. It's like nothing you've ever seen. You will completely enjoy it if you like the mountains. And contrary to the popular belief, we do have survivors every time that we hike. Even though this person right here, they hiked their soul right out. Like literally their soul just came right out of them, dude. But that's not us. We're gonna make it.